I drive out demons by the Spirit of God, then the kingdom of God has come upon you. Matthew 12:28. So my brothers and sisters, my people, and my loved ones, we've been studying the Bible and been doing so by studying individual words, and the word that we're currently studying is the word demons. Now here, we don't read anything new about the word demons. We don't have a new understanding by this reading like we have in previous videos. However, now we're going to use our understanding from those previous videos to dive deeper and get a better understanding of this context. So the word drive out should remind us of the Israelites' command to drive out the Canaanites and their gods from the kingdom of God, or what was supposed to be the kingdom of God, Jerusalem, or Israel. So we make that connection here, but also we read that the Spirit of God is going to come upon us, and this Spirit drives out any unclean spirits. And this is not like the Hollywood exorcism. This is more like somebody coming to an understanding of who God is and wanting to forsake all of those idols that they worshipped before, or maybe these false concepts and false teachings that they held on to, and now accept Jesus and his teachings. But for now, everybody, shalom, shalom, and give me a fist bump.